बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज से हम क्लास 10 फिज़िक्स के MCQ स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं और ये सारे के सारे MCQs हम ट्रेजर ऑफ नॉलेज वॉल्यूम 2 से ले रहे हैं और हम कोशिश करते हैं कि हम हर एक MCQs को समझें कि MCQs हमें कहता क्या है। इसलिए मैंने ये MCQs इंग्लिश और साथ उर्दू में भी और हर एक MCQs की वजाहत उर्दू में किया है ताकि हर किसी को समझे और किसी को भी समझने में कोई मुश्किल ना हो। चलो आते हैं MCQs की तरफ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 या MCQs नंबर 1, द रिपीटेड बैक एंड फोर्थ मोशन अबाउट मीन पोजीशन इस टर्म एज। औसत मकाम यानी मीन पोजीशन के इर्द गिर्द बार बार आगे पीछे होने वाली हरकत को क्या कहते हैं? ऑप्शन सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन, ट्रांसलेटरी मोशन, ऑसिलेटरी मोशन, वाइब्रेटरी मोशन। करेक्ट आंसर सी, ऑसिलेटरी मोशन। MCQ number 2, solids vibrate because. Options, their atoms are in random motion, they vibrate when given an impulse, most solids are elastic, both A and B. Correct answer D, both A and B. MCQ number 3, mechanical oscillations or vibration are fully described on the basis of खाली जगह mechanics. Options, classical, modern, Newtonian, Einstein. MCQ number 4, which of the following terms are related with oscillatory motion? Options, cycle या vibration, time period, frequency, all of these. Correct answer D, all of these. MCQ number 5, the term used for vibration is a. Options, rotatory motion, momentum, oscillation, acceleration. Correct answer C, oscillation. MCQ number 6, one oscillation is also known as खाली जगह. Options, one vibration, one ventilation, one sine curve, none of these. Correct answer A, one vibration. MCQ 7, if we increase the wavelength the frequency would. Option, increases, decreases, remains same, maybe or not be. Correct answer B, decreases. MCQ number 8, one complete round trip of the vibrating body about mean position is called खाली जगह. Option, vibration, cycle, both A and B, none of these. Correct answer C, both A and B. MCQ number 9. To complete one vibration or cycle, the particle must be khali jagah. Option: at the same point, heading in the same direction, failing, both A and B. Correct answer D, both A and B. MCQ number 10. Number of vibrations completed in 1 second is called. Option: time period, frequency, amplitude, none of these. Correct answer B, frequency. Question number 11. What is the unit of frequency? फ्रीक्वेंसी की इकाई यूनिट क्या है? ऑप्शन: मीटर, मीटर सेकेंड, हर्ट्ज सेकेंड. करेक्ट आंसर सी, हर्ट्ज. MCQ number 12. Time required to complete one cycle is called. Option: velocity, cycle, time period, vibrating cycle. Correct answer C, time period. MCQ 13. Time period is measured in khali jagah, second, rotation, meter, none of these. Correct answer A, second. MCQ number 14. The time period is khali jagah to frequency. Option: inversely proportional, reciprocal, directional proportional, all of these. Correct answer A, inversely proportional. MCQ number 15. The distance of oscillating body from the mean position at any instance of time is called. Options: amplitude, displacement, both A and B, none of these. Correct answer B, displacement. MCQ number 16. Displacement is measured in khali jagah. Option: second, rotation, meter, none of these. Correct answer C, meter. MCQ number 17. The maximum displacements of the body from the mean position in a cycle is called khali jagah. Option: amplitude, displacement, time period, none of these. Correct answer A, amplitude. MCQ number 18. If time period is a 20 meter second, then what is the frequency? Option: 50 हर्ट्ज, 40 हर्ट्ज, 20 हर्ट्ज, 2 हर्ट्ज. Correct answer A, 50 हर्ट्ज.